So finally, I realized that lead code is not for beginners. So when I am trying to do lead code, I am getting it difficult to do because of the logic and the not able to write it in the language. So I researched about it and talked to my friend yesterday. So from there, I got to know that there are other platforms like Geek for Geeks and the Code Forces, Code Chef, Hacker Rank, and tells me that you can try Hacker Rank. He is trying by himself. He is doing it by himself. So he told me the difference that lead code is like for preparation, interview preparation mainly. So when I researched more about this, about LeetCode and the other platforms, so I get to know the same thing that LeetCode is more mainly focused on LeetCode preparations, and yes, you can do it from basics. Yes, as a student, but if you are not able to get comfortable with LeetCode, you can switch to another platform like HackerRank, Geeks for Geeks, as they are more beginners friendly and they have easy questions compared to lead code. So right now I am also thinking of switching to Geeks for Geeks until I get comfortable with the DS doing made easy questions. And when I am comfortable there, I will be switching on lead code. But yes, I will be continuing lead code, one question or maybe two questions if possible, along with the Geeks for Geeks, as my course is also providing the assignment questions from lead code. So it's not about that you are giving up, it's about that you are just changing the path. Your main focus, main goal is the same, but you have just changed the direction, the way you are approaching it. Now you are not directly doing lead code, but using another platform, and that's not a bad thing if you do. And you can also try like CP, competitive programming. You can also about that. I get to know that it's better if you do CP after doing a decent DSA questions, decent practice. Like if you are comfortable with doing DSA like 2 to 3 months. So it's not about that I want to do all at once. It's about making a proper plan. Like for me right now, it's that doing first on Geeks for Geeks or Hacker Rank, then doing DSA on Lead Code, and then I will be shifting to CP maybe after 3 months when I get comfortable with doing DSA. So this you must have that proper approach that what's working for you and what's not working for you. Like me, lead code is not working for me right now, but Geeks for Geeks may be working because when they're there, when I try to do some questions, they are easy and they are like clearing my fundamentals. And that's the main thing, that you have to work on your fundamentals. If you want to improve like your life, then you have to work on your personal fundamentals. If you want to improve your DSA, then you have to work on your language fundamentals. So I got to know that my fundamentals are weak. I haven't made so much projects in my language. So now I am shifting to Geeks for Geeks as it has like fundamental wise questions, topic wise questions. So from there, when I get comfortable with my fundamentals and clear the concepts, then I be shifting to lead code for more hard questions, interview preps, and like CP for after 2 or 3 months. So you have to change your plan time to time if you are not getting any results, or you are feeling stuck there and it's not working for you, because it's no matter you are wasting their time. So change plan according to yourself, and because at the end you have to know that skill. It's not matter that you do it from LeetCode or any other platform. So acquire that skill. Don't focus. Don't fall for that LeetCode, that everyone doing LeetCode, then I be doing LeetCode. They are doing LeetCode because that works for them. We are doing other platform because that works for us. At the end, we are all chasing that one particular goal, and that is like problem solving skill. And for that, even the lead code is not necessary. DS is not necessary for having problem solving skill. Like problem solving can be like some people have naturally, and some people may have. Like me, I have to acquire that skill, but my friend has naturally. So everyone is in their lane. So stay focused on yourself and be disciplined and consistent.